How to use Steam gift card to buy Robux. To use a Steam gift card to buy Robux, you can follow these steps. Open the Steam client or go to Steam's website. Log into your Steam account. Click on your account name in the top right corner and select Account Details. Select Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Enter the code on the gift card to add it. After that, open Roblox via Steam and go to the in-game store and navigate to the section to purchase Robux. Select the desired Robux package. At checkout, Steam will use the funds from your Steam wallet to pay for the Robux. If Roblox isn't available on Steam in your region or for your platform, you won't be able to use Steam funds to buy Robux directly. In that case, you can consider alternatives such as sell or exchange the Steam gift card for another gift card, example, a Roblox, Google Play, or Apple gift card. Use third-party marketplaces to swap gift cards. Thanks for watching.